Exercise 12.1. Evaluate question 1. Evaluate part 1 says 3 to the power minus 2. Okay, here simply one thing we are using, one property of exponent is used, that is a to the power minus n is 1 upon a to the power n. If you are taking reciprocal of a number with exponent, then its power sign will be reversed. Negative power was there. When I will take its reciprocal, see the power become positive. Okay, so to solve it, to evaluate, I cannot calculate 3 to the power minus 2. So what I am doing, I am making 3 to the power plus 2. How? By taking its reciprocal. So the rule used is this. Power was negative. जब हमने इसका रेसिप्रोकल ले लिया तो पावर पॉजिटिव हो गई. अब 3 स्क्वायर इज नॉट अ बिग थिंग फॉर यू. 3 स्क्वायर कैन बी कैलकुलेटेड एज 3 into 3. So it is 1/9. Solved. Part 2. This is minus 4 to the power minus 2. Again the same thing. Please don't bother about this negative sign. We need to take care of this negative first. Power sign. So first of all, using the same thing, a to the power minus n is equal to 1 upon a to the power n. What I am doing, taking its reciprocal. इसका रेसिप्रोकल ले लिया, मल्टीप्लीकेटिव इनवर्स ले लिया, जो फर्स्ट चैप्टर में पढ़ा था हमने. तो अपसाइड डाउन 1/-4. क्या फर्क आना है? पावर नेगेटिव से पॉजिटिव हो जाएगी. -2 से हो गई +2. Please check, this minus sign is not changing when you are taking reciprocal. Base remains same. Power का sign बदल जाता है. Now power is positive. You can calculate it as usual because it is a square. Power 2 मतलब मुझे इसको 2 बार मल्टीप्लाई करना है. -4 को -4 से multiplied twice. Minus and minus sign multiplied together will give you a positive sign. 4 4s are 16. So the answer is 1/16. Part 3. We have to evaluate 1/2 to the power -5. Now see, here 2 is in denominator. What I am doing is, if I separate the 2, see actually what I am using. I am using the last property we studied. A to the power m upon b to the power m is equal to a upon b to the power m. This is given here. ये हमको दे रखा है, हमने इधर वाला यूज कर लिया. 2 नंबर डिवाइड होके उनकी एक कॉमन पावर है. आप दोनों को अलग अलग सेपरेटली उस पावर के साथ रख के डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. अब 1 की पावर -5 हो +5 हो, इट विल बी सेम, नो चेंज है ना. इफ यू वांट यू राइट इट 1/1 to the power -5, it will be 1 only. Okay, so there is no effect of keeping any power of 1, it will be 1 except 0, that also gives you 1. Now 2 to the power -5 is there. अब हम इसको कैलकुलेट नहीं कर सकते हैं. सो लेट अस मेक द पावर पॉजिटिव एंड टू चेंज द साइन ऑफ दिस पावर हमको इसका रेसिप्रोकल लेना पड़ेगा. अब ये ऑलरेडी 1/2 to the power -5 है, तो इसका रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा 2 to the power +5. अपसाइड डाउन 2 to the power 5. Now you can calculate it easily. जितना पावर है उतनी बार इसको आप मल्टीप्लाई कर लीजिए. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. This will give me 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 and 16 2s are 32. So the answer is 1/32. So this is your question 1.